everyone, how are you all? This is me Anshul Gupta and welcome back to my channel Commerce Educator. So इस वीडियो में हम लोग मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स को देखने वाले हैं, दैट इज ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स, मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स एज. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस वीडियो. सो start with unit number 1, national income. From this unit, the most important topics are limitations of GDP concept and circular flow of income. Then हमारा आता है डबल काउंटिंग, ठीक है. देन हमारा आता है इंटरमीडिएट एक्सपेंडिचर एंड फाइनल इंटरमीडिएट एक्सपेंडिचर डिफरेंस and stock and flow variable difference. These are two difference from this chapter unit. And then precautions of three methods of measurement of national income, that is income method, expenditure method and value added method. So these are three methods. Their precautions are important, and then numerical also important from this chapter. One numerical will come for mark 3 mark numerical will come from this unit. And last most important topic is GDP deflator. I will revise you all the topics from this unit. Limitations of GDP, circular flow of income and intermediate and final expenditure difference, stock and flow variable difference, GDP deflator, and precautions of the methods of measurement of national income and double counting. So these are the most important topics from unit first. Then we will go for second unit, that is about money and banking. So from this chapter you will prepare credit creation and functions of central bank, function of money and money supply and its component. So these are the most important topic from money and banking. So then we will forward towards the third unit, that is determination of income and employment. So in this unit you will prepare AD and AS approach and SI approach. Okay, then derivation of consumption curve through saving curve. Third topic you will prepare inflationary gap and deflationary gap, meaning impact diagram and as well as measures to correct it. Then investment multiplier and numerical also. I will revise you from this unit also most important topics: ADAS approach, SI approach, derivation of consumption curve through saving curve, inflationary gap, deflationary gap, meaning impact diagram and is measured to correct it. Then आता है आपका investment multiplier. Then we numerical also come from this unit. So we will forward towards fourth unit, that is government budget. Government budget unit. The most important topics are objectives of the government budget, revenue versus capital expenditure, that is difference, and government budget deficit and numerical, as well as difference of direct tax and indirect tax. Then we will forward toward the unit number 5, balance of payment and foreign exchange. So here the most important topic are component of current account and capital account. Next is balance of trade versus balance of payment, ठीक है. Then it is the difference of balance of trade and current account. Then accommodations and autonomous. So mostly from this unit the difference will come. Determination of equilibrium and foreign exchange rate, and then revaluation versus appreciation. So here these are the most important topics from macroeconomics. Done.